Okay, so we're still doing 5.1 and we're doing lowest common multiple. So let's start with some vocabulary. Common just means same. What do they have in common? What's the same between them? Lowest means small or big. Small. And multiple sounds like multiply. So we're going to make lists of numbers using multiply. Then we're going to circle the ones that are in common, that they have the same, and then we're going to choose the smallest one. Okay? So let's look down here. It says find the lowest common multiple, LCM, for each set of numbers. So 10 and 8. So let's find the multiples of 10 and 8. So first we do 10 times 1, that's 10. Then 10 times 2, that's 20. 10 times 3, 30. 10 times 4, 40. 50, 60, 70. We could go forever, so we just stop for a bit because we don't know how far we have to go. Now 8. 8 times 1. Let's use a calculator because 8 times tables can be tricky. 8 times 2. Then go back, delete. 8 times 3. 8 times 4. 8 times 5. 8 times 6. Okay, let's stop and check. So, LCM. We wrote the multiples for each number. Now we have to circle what's in common. They both have 40. Anything else? No. Now we have to pick the lowest one. Well, since we only have one, we just choose that. So our lowest common multiple is 40. So we're writing out the multiples of the number, our multiplication tables. We're circling the ones that they have in common, and we're choosing the smallest one, the lowest or the least one. Okay? So let's look at 3. We're going to write out the multiples of 9 and the multiples of 12. So 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2, 18. 9 times 3, 27. 9 times 4, 36. 9 times 5. When do we stop? We just stop. I'm going to stop now and see if I can get something the same. And if not, then I'll do more. Okay? So 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2, 24. 12 times 3, 36. 12 times 4 is 48. Whoa, 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 stop. Can you see? They have one that's in common. And because it's the first one, it's going to be the smallest one. So my lowest common multiple is 36. So let's do number 6. 3 numbers. Okay. So 8, the multiples of 8. Oops, the multiples of 16. And the multiples of 20. So 8. Oh, we already have the multiples of 8 up here. Look, I'm just going to copy them out. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. 16. 16 times 1. 16 times 2. Times 3. Oh, it has a 48. Oh, I won't get 48 with 20. 20 times 1, 20 times 2 is 40, 60, 80. So nothing is the same, so I'm going to have to do some more. So let's do the first one. I can just add 8 to each one. So 48 plus 8, 56. Plus 8, plus 8, plus 8, plus 8. Now this one, I can go plus 16. So 48 plus 16, plus 16, Ooh, look, 80, 80, 80. They have 80 in common. So my lowest common multiple, is there anything else in common? There's a 40 and a 40, but that doesn't have 40. So the least common multiple is 80.